Yeah.
Hey guys, Gordon Birkin here in South Florida. We have the brand new Clorox Electrostatic 360 machine. We've been using the old machine and now this one to treat our own facility. When the liquid comes out of this tip, it gets electrostatically charged, which basically at the end of the day makes them all fight for a surface, and they get in and around everything. Like on this trophy up here, the liquid would be all over the back of it. It's pretty amazing. After 2 minutes, it kills everything in its path.